I don't care how good you are. I don't care how talented you are. I don't care how much you work on yourself. There's some times when things aren't gonna go right. There are times when anything that can happen will happen. Life happens. The unexpected. The unintentioned. We've been damaged emotionally. Damaged spiritually. It may be your business. It may be your heart that is broken today. It may be the number in your bank account that is screaming you are broke. You can break physically, you can break mentally, you can break your heart, you can break your spirit. And all of those are going to leave a mark. But the mark that they leave can be the mark of victory or it can be the mark of defeat. It is staying with the breaking that produces the blessing. It is not what you go through that determines where you end up. It's who you listen to. Because I think right now you're walking through a valley between two voices. One is wisdom, and one is worry. One is gratitude, and one is grumbling. One is blame, one is faith. Because every time you break, and in every way that you break, it's a chance for you to give up, for you to fall apart. But there's also opportunity to get stronger, to get faster, to get tougher, and get more stability, and get more resilient, and get better.